This is WikiSaid, Wikipedia articles read aloud for the visually impaired and everyone else. This episode is for the article, Celestial Equator. The celestial equator is the great circle of the imaginary celestial sphere on the same plane as the equator of Earth. By extension, it is also a plane of reference in the equatorial coordinate system. In other words, the celestial equator is an abstract projection of the terrestrial equator into outer space. Just a reminder before reading the article. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification icon. You can visit our website at wikisaid.com. Now the article. Celestial Equator. The celestial equator is the great circle of the imaginary celestial sphere on the same plane as the equator of Earth. By extension, it is also a plane of reference in the equatorial coordinate system. In other words, the celestial equator is an abstract projection of the terrestrial equator into outer space. Due to Earth's axial tilt, the celestial equator is currently inclined by about 23.44 degrees with respect to the ecliptic, the plane of Earth's orbit, but has varied from about 22.0 degrees to 24.5 degrees over the past 5 million years due to perturbation from other planets. An observer standing on Earth's equator visualizes the celestial equator as a semicircle passing through the zenith, the point directly overhead. As the observer moves north or south, the celestial equator tilts towards the opposite horizon. The celestial equator is defined to be infinitely distant, since it is on the celestial sphere. Thus, the ends of the semicircle always intersect the horizon due east and due west, regardless of the observer's position on Earth. At the poles, the celestial equator coincides with the astronomical horizon. At all latitudes, the celestial equator is a uniform arc or circle because the observer is only finitely far from the plane of the celestial equator, but infinitely far from the celestial equator itself. Astronomical objects near the celestial equator appear above the horizon from most places on Earth, but they reach the meridian, highest near the equator. The celestial equator currently passes through these constellations. Pisces contains the first point of Aries above its southern border. Cetus, Taurus, Eridanus, Orion, near Orion's belt. Monoceros, Canis Minor, Hydra, Sextans. Leo, Virgo, contains the first point of Libra. Serpens, Caput. Ophiuchus. Serpens, Cauda. Aquila. Aquarius. These are the most globally visible constellations. Over thousands of years, the orientation of Earth's equator and thus the constellations the celestial equator passes through will change due to axial precession. Celestial bodies other than Earth also have similarly defined celestial equators. Stick around for a minute for some bonus facts. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification icon. You can support us at patreon.com/wikisaid. You can visit our website at wikisaid.com. As a reward for listening the whole way through, here are some bonus facts. All stars observed at the equator rise in the east and set in the west. If observed through the year, the constellations shift gradually to the west. This is caused by Earth's orbit around our Sun. The zodiac is the group, or belt, of constellations that fall along the plane of the ecliptic. It is through these constellations that our Sun appears to pass during the year. While there are 12 astrological constellations of the zodiac, there are 13 astronomical zodiac constellations. That's it for this article. Thanks for listening.